Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the background layer and working non-destructively. This protects the original if you need to revert. Once done, zoom to 100% so you can see sticker edges clearly and choose a soft brush for blending. Make sure to pick the right tool for the sticker. Spot healing for small stickers, clone stamp for patterned areas, and content-aware fill for larger shapes. These first steps set the stage for clean removal and avoid creating new artifacts later. Now you remove the sticker by working from the edges inward, which preserves surrounding texture and reduces halos. Once you trace the outline, use small clone stamp strokes and resample frequently so patterns stay consistent. Lower opacity to 60–90% when matching tonal shifts. If you choose content-aware fill, make a slightly larger selection and preview results, then refine with healing tools. As you proceed, constantly toggle the duplicate layer on and off to compare before and after. Finish by refining the repaired area so it blends seamlessly. You should use spot healing for hairlines or seams and a 1/3px brush for tiny details. Once blended, add subtle sharpening or noise to match the original image grain, and then view at multiple zoom levels. If you still see artifacts, make a fresh sample nearby and redo only those small spots, or use the patch tool for larger inconsistencies. A key tip: save incremental versions so you can revert one step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.